Hi, I'm Dhairya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make bakery style strawberry cupcakes at home, which are eggless and filled with homemade strawberry compote. So let's get started. We will start with the compote. Take 10 to 12 strawberries and start chopping them. Make sure to thoroughly clean the strawberries before cutting them. It is a good practice to always try that the chopped strawberries are of similar size so that they cook evenly. After chopping all the strawberries, take a pan and keep it over low to medium heat. Add in the chopped strawberries along with some sugar. Continue to cook this on low to medium heat while stirring continuously. We don't need to add any water to this because the sugar will help the strawberries to release their own water. After cooking for 3 to 4 minutes, the strawberries will become mushy. At this stage, you can go ahead and taste the mixture a little bit. If the strawberries are very sour, you can increase the amount of sugar as required. Now take corn flour and add a little water to make a slurry. Make sure that there are no lumps. Add this corn flour slurry to the pan. After adding the slurry, turn the flame to a little high and bring the mixture to a boil. Make sure to stir continuously because we don't want it to burn. As soon as you see bubbles on top, take the mixture off the flame. The compote is now ready. Let it cool down before using. If you have any leftover compote after using them in the cupcakes, of course, you can store it in the freezer for up to 1 month or in the fridge for up to 5 to 6 days. You can use this compote to fill your cakes, top your cheesecakes, pancakes or ice cream. For the cupcakes, in a bowl, place a sieve and add in all-purpose flour, corn flour. Corn flour is added to make the cupcakes extra soft, but it's totally optional, so if you want, you can skip it. Baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Sift everything together and keep aside. In a separate bowl, take yogurt and add sugar. I always use homemade dahi in my recipes, but you can also use the store-bought one. Mix well to dissolve the sugar. Next, we will add in the oil. Always use neutral oil for baking, that means the oil which does not have any distinctive taste or smell. Once everything is well combined, dump in all the dry ingredients. Whisk well to make a batter. Last ingredient to go in is water. I am also adding some vanilla essence which is completely optional. Mix it until you have a smooth batter. This recipe will give you 7 to 8 regular sized cupcakes. You can use any type of muffin liners you have. I'm using these paper ones. I am adding 3 spoons of batter in each liner. You can increase or decrease the quantity according to the size of your muffin liner. Make sure to fill all the liners equally. This is done so that they get baked at the same time. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 minutes. After preheating, keep the cupcakes inside and bake for 16 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted. As you can see that the skewer is coming out clean, it means that the cupcakes are completely baked. For the topping, take chilled whipping cream and start beating it at a low speed. After 4 to 5 minutes, the cream will get voluminous. Now increase the speed to maximum and beat until you have stiff peaks. As you can see that the cream is holding shape when we lift it up. This is a sign that it's ready. Take a piping bag and put a nozzle inside. I am using the star nozzle. Keep this piping bag inside a glass. This way it's easier to fill the piping bag. If you are a beginner, only fill half of the piping bag so it's easier to use it and control the pressure while piping. I have removed the muffin liners from all the cupcakes. Take a melon baller which will help us to remove the middle part of the cupcake. If you don't have a melon baller, you can use a small knife to carve out the middle portion. You have to twist the cupcakes while keeping the melon baller in one position and then carefully scoop it out. I am scooping the cupcakes a little deep so they hold up more of the strawberry filling. As you can see, I'm not moving the melon baller a lot, just keep it in one place while twisting the cupcake. We will fill these cavities with strawberry compote. I am using a piping bag to fill, but you can also fill using a spoon. After filling all the cupcakes, we will top them with whipped cream. For piping, always apply pressure on the back of your palm and squeeze it as shown. Hold the piping bag straight on top of the cupcakes and gently press so that the cream comes out. After forming the base, slowly move the piping bag around the cupcake. If you are a beginner, just keep in mind to apply even pressure and go slow. After piping all your cupcakes, dip the melon baller in water and press it down on top to make a small cavity. If you want, you can totally skip this step and garnish the cupcakes any way you want. You can put chopped strawberries on the top or even a whole strawberry in the middle. Make sure to clean the melon baller and dip in water before each cupcake. Fill the cavity with strawberry compote. Lastly, I am taking some chopped strawberries and putting 3 to 4 small pieces on each cupcake. You can place these chopped strawberries where the piping is ending to give the cupcakes a neater finish. These are the best bakery style cupcakes you'll ever make at home. They are soft, moist and oozing with strawberry flavor. You can store these cupcakes in the fridge for up to 4 to 5 days. Make sure to store them in a box to avoid drying of the sponge. The entire recipe is in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with a new recipe. Happy baking and bye.